Hello everyone, we are back with a new video, and today I am going to be showing you how to make a YouTube banner for free. So what you want to do is I will leave a link in the description, but if you don't, for some reason you can't click it or it doesn't work, just type in YouTube YT banner. I just typed in YT. There we go. YT banner. So it will say YouTube banner maker, create channel art and thumbnails, bannersnack.com. So you want to click that. You will have to create an account. It's completely free though. You just type in your email and a password, and then it's just a free account. That's all you have to do. So I've already made my account. So yeah, so press start designing. So once you're in here, you want to press create new. And now you've pressed create new, you want to see which one what does it say? Single banner. So you want to make a banner. And then you want to do what type of banner you want. So a Facebook or any one, square one for some reason, but you want to click YouTube channel cover. So you'll click that, and then it will come up with YouTube ones. So now you're on here, you've got all these banners to choose from. You can type, you've got loads of categories to choose from and stuff. So I'm just going to choose, for example, this one right here. So you'll have all this stuff which you can delete or not delete. So if you want this one, if you don't want that there, just remove the website. You can remove this, remove the gaming, and you can remove the circle if you want. You can add your own images in. I think you can add, my images. Put your own images in. You can have all these images to choose from. You can add text. So for example, I will, for my banner, for my YouTube, I'll put this text in. So I'll just type in, for example, attitude not the YT, sorry. Yeah, just attitude, and then here you want to put subscribe for amazing content or something like this. Sub for amazing content. So here, once you've wrote that or whatever you want to write, you can put your where is it? Oh, lost it. No. You should be, if I bloody know where it is, I've lost it now. In group. Oh, I'm sorry guys. Oh, there we are. Yeah, I don't know why it disappeared. Yeah, here we are. So you can edit the colour of it. So you can blur it if you want to blur it, make it really blurred. I don't know why you would want it. You might want it a bit blurred for an effect. You can put your opacity, I can't pronounce it, I'm sorry. Opacity, I think. See how, if you want it faded or not. You can put drop shadow on. So, see the difference. Drop shadow. Yeah, you can do all this stuff. Add shape. If you want to add your little Facebook thing in, and then put your Facebook name. If you want your little Instagram, Twitter. These buttons you want, but I think that costs money. So yeah. Yeah, there's all these stuff you can do, and once you've made your banner, you've edited to how you like it, you would just save it. So I'll save right here. You would enter it and then save it in to your files, and then you would put it as your banner. So yeah. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.